Family is the cornerstone of society, the intricate web of relationships that shapes our identity, values, and worldview. Within this complex tapestry lie the threads of love, support, and understanding that bind us together through life's myriad experiences. In this essay, I delve into the unique dynamics and rich tapestry of my own family, exploring the depths of our connections, the shared memories, and the lessons learned along the way. Our family tree extends its roots deep into the soil of tradition and heritage, tracing back through generations of shared experiences and cultural influences. From the rugged hills of our ancestors' homeland to the bustling streets of our current abode, each branch bears witness to the journey of resilience, perseverance, and adaptation. My grandparents, the patriarchs and matriarchs of our clan, epitomize the wisdom and strength forged through life's trials. Their stories, passed down like precious heirlooms, paint a vivid picture of struggle and triumph, of sacrifices made and dreams realized. Their legacy is etched not only in the faded photographs adorning our mantelpiece, but also in the values they instilled in us: integrity, compassion, and a deep reverence for family bonds. At the heart of our family lies a vibrant mosaic of personalities, each contributing their unique hue to the canvas of our collective identity. From the jovial banter around the dinner table to the quiet moments of solace shared in times of need, our interactions are a reflection of the deep-seated affection and mutual respect that define our relationships. My parents, the pillars of strength and guidance in our household, embody the essence of unconditional love and selflessness. Their unwavering support and encouragement have been the guiding light illuminating our path through life's uncertainties. Whether celebrating our triumphs or comforting us in moments of despair, they have always been our staunchest allies, nurturing our dreams and aspirations with boundless enthusiasm. Siblings, the companions of our journey, are the closest confidants with whom we share the indelible bond of kinship. Through the ebbs and flows of adolescence and beyond, we have weathered storms together, forging an unbreakable bond forged in the crucible of shared experiences. Their laughter echoes through the halls of our home, a constant reminder of the joy that permeates our familial ties. Extended family members, spanning across generations and geographies, serve as the threads that connect us to our wider community. Their presence infuses our gatherings with warmth and nostalgia, bridging the gap between past and present, tradition and modernity. Despite the miles that may separate us, the ties that bind us remain unbroken, woven with the threads of shared memories and cherished traditions. The tapestry of our family is interwoven with the threads of shared memories and cherished traditions, binding us together in a tapestry of love and nostalgia. From the annual family reunions that bring us together across continents to the time-honored rituals passed down through generations, these shared experiences serve as the foundation upon which our familial bonds are built. Holidays and celebrations are occasions for joyous revelry, a time for us to come together and create lasting memories. Whether gathered around the hearth during festive seasons or embarking on adventures in far-flung locales, these moments of togetherness serve as the glue that holds our family fabric intact. Moreover, our family traditions serve as the cultural bedrock upon which our identity is anchored. From the recipes passed down through generations to the customs observed with reverence, these rituals serve as a tangible link to our heritage, reminding us of the values and traditions that define who we are. Embedded within the intricate tapestry of our family lies a treasure trove of wisdom and life lessons gleaned from the collective experiences of generations past. Through their triumphs and tribulations, our ancestors have bequeathed to us a legacy of resilience, perseverance, and empathy that continues to guide us on our journey through life. From the virtues of honesty and integrity to the importance of compassion and empathy, these timeless lessons serve as the compass that steers us through life's myriad challenges. Moreover, our family's collective experiences serve as a testament to the power of unity and solidarity in the face of adversity, reminding us of the strength that lies in our bonds of kinship. In conclusion, the tapestry of my family is a rich and intricate weave of relationships, memories, and traditions that have shaped my identity and worldview. From the roots of our heritage to the branches of our extended family tree, each thread contributes to the vibrant mosaic of our collective experience. Through shared laughter and tears, triumphs and tribulations, our familial bonds remain steadfast, serving as a source of comfort, strength, and inspiration. As we navigate the ever-changing currents of life, we do so with the knowledge that we are bound together by the unbreakable ties of love, kinship, and shared history that define us as a family.